All right, so today's demo day. You see what's going on here. We're getting ready to came here to try to ride a Challenger or something, or matter of fact, ride a Pursuit. We here rolling fast. You know what I'm saying? Today's Tuesday, and let's see, Tuesday the 16th. About 9 o'clock. They're supposed to be getting started in like another minute. You see all the bikes they got out here for the demo. It'd be nice to ride this one right here, this 112. I like that. Nice blue. This is dope. You know what I'm saying? We got another Pursuit here. I don't know if this is a 112. Let's see. And it is a 112 with the tour pack on and everything, so you could actually feel, you know, the weight difference. It's got the lowers on and everything. You know, this one don't have the tour pack and it doesn't have the lowers, so you know that shit is, it's like a rocket. This is a nice color right here. This is nice. And none of these bikes is clean. You can see they're like smudged. Another 112. You know what I mean? Got some bobbers here. Scouts, rather. And here's a 112 with the slim pack on it. I might think about getting one of these little slim packs to throw on my joint. Just get it painted black. And I can exchange it, put it on and off. And I'm just doing some local stuff. You can fit about 2 Germans in there, or at least 1 German. It's bigger than a pizza box. This is a nice color too. It's like a champagne. But you know, I'm trying to stay away from the chrome. I did all the chrome before on my other Chieftain. And here's some more Scouts. These Scouts are fast now. These are the new Scouts. These things are fast. You can hear some more people pulling up now. Yep. Yep. That's what my Chieftain used to look like. Used to look cop and shit with the cop helmet on. What's going on, brother? All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. So it's demo day. It's today and tomorrow. So, you know what I mean? We out here early. Had our coffee already. Definitely gonna go inside and visit the parts department. Order my pipes. And they still setting up. Setting up the tent. Always Progressive. That's one of the major sponsors. Every day. HD or nothing? Nothing. So we out here in Lebanon, New Jersey, of course. This is where they took all the bikes off. And definitely gonna ride one of these 112s today. So we go inside, use the restroom. We'll be back later. Ooh.